3 tips on how to eat properly during your feeding window to make your fasting easier. Hi folks, I'm Deepinder from Doopy's Chai, where we specialize in flavorful and fasting-friendly spiced teas. Today, I'm sharing a true and tested clean eating routine that is easy to follow and stick to. Tip number 1 is to prioritize your first meal as a nutrient-rich breakfast. Example could be a breakfast-style smoothie. So in your smoothie, put in fruits, nuts, oats, protein, even a splash of milk. Another thing we love is oats or porridge. So overnight oats will work great here, or a nutrient-rich porridge that you make first thing in the morning. The great thing with a breakfast like this is it's a good source of fiber, which will keep you full all day long. You're also adding a lot of nutrients like vitamins, minerals, polyphenols into your diet, which is very good to keep your overall system healthy and strong. And you're setting up clean eating habits for the rest of the day. Tip number 2 is to add more fruits and veggies to your diet. And I know you're like, Doopy, this is the basics of clean eating, but I can't do that. Here's my easy button. I find I don't have time to eat a couple of pieces of fruit or vegetables or salad a day. I just blend it. Start out with a fruit-based smoothie. Throw in some nuts in there, some avocado in there. You won't even taste it. Even some baby spinach in there. The fruit really masks all this taste, but in return, you get all the nutrients going in a couple of gulps. You don't even have to worry about it. And say you're in a jam, you're hungry, get your favorite fruits. Most of us are okay eating fruits. It's the vegetables we have a problem with. So grab an apple, grab a pear, grab an orange or banana, and you're set with your 5 to 7 fruits and vegetables for the day. Tip number 3, drink more liquids. Water is probably the optimal choice here. It keeps you hydrated, keeps all your metabolic processes going, but water can be boring. So try substituting calorie-free teas. My favorite go-to is Doopy's Chai. It's flavorful. I don't have to add any sugar or milk to it. It keeps you hydrated, as well as I'm adding polyphenols to my diet. Coffee is another thing you could do. There are a lot of other teas that you can also utilize. You can also go for maybe a sparkling water. Feel free to add maybe a cucumber in there, a little bit of lime zest, or squeeze a lemon. Tastes delicious. Takeaway: break your fast with a fiber-rich breakfast. Be sure to add either a green smoothie or salad a day, as well as drink more water. That's all you need to set up good eating habits. If you want to learn more about intermittent fasting and how you could use it to reach your wellness and fitness goals, be sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel, as well as join me in the next video where I'll be sharing step 3 in this series on how to curb your hunger while fasting.